Introducing the EasyExtend retractable barrier system. A revolutionary way to create effective demarcation areas within both outdoor and indoor environments. Easy to transport and takes seconds to assemble. Simply position your cones or posts, extract the 10-meter tape, and attach to the receiver. The unique modular system offers a wide array of additional benefits, including a built-in pre-weighted base ballast and locking tape mechanism. Accessories include a water-resistant sign holder and sanitizer bracket. The post and base allows for either a single tape configuration or a double tape configuration for a more imposing barrier. Also, all post elements fit securely in the base for easy storage and transportation. The head unit can be attached to walls, racking, and even vehicles by using the support and receiver clips, both available as screw or magnetic fixing options. And the cone adapter means barriers can be created using virtually any cones. So, for the next level of retractable barrier system, which is fully modular, easy to store, and easy to transport, then look no further than the EasyExtend retractable barrier.